If you want to manifest the life you actually deserve, there's only one thing that you need to do, and it isn't making another vision board or repeating affirmations. It all comes down to one simple thing, and that is releasing your resistance. We're conditioned to believe that we have to hustle and grind and suffer our way to success. We're taught if we're not completely exhausted, we're not working hard enough. But that anxious hustle is exactly what's blocking your abundance. So what actually creates resistance? Number one is unprocessed emotions. Most of us were never taught how to actually feel an emotion. We're only taught how to ignore it. Think about it. If you've ever been yelled at or wronged, in that moment, you likely pushed down the emotion that came with it. I did this constantly when I was in a toxic relationship where I wasn't allowed to express what I was feeling. But when you ignore the emotions, they don't just go away. They get trapped inside the body. You have to consciously stuff them down just to keep yourself from exploding. And to do that, your muscles have to stay really tense, which brings me to number two. And that is body armor. This is when your muscles are locked in a state of tension. You're braced for impact. You might not even realize you're doing it because it just becomes how you naturally move throughout the day. But typically it's raised shoulders, a clenched jaw, and a tight stomach. Think about how your body reacts right before a car accident. Every muscle tenses or braces for the hit. And when you walk around all day like this, even if it's not as dramatic as this and it's slight, you're creating massive resistance in the body. Number three is the illusion of control. This is the desperate need to figure out exactly how and when things are going to happen. We don't actually know the how or the when, and trying to figure it out yanks you right out of the present moment, which leads me to number four, and that is time traveling. These are the anxious, looping thoughts that trap you in the memories of the past or the what-ifs of the future. Replaying those stories removes you from the only place where you actually have power, right now in the present moment. When you're fully present, meaning you're not thinking about the past or the future, you completely dissolve the resistance. So what does true non-resistance actually feel like? When I step into the silent container, this is the sensation of zero tension. Your shoulders naturally drop. Your breathing slows down. The anxious thoughts stop spinning. You just sit in the present moment and listen to the high-pitched hum that's always there in the background, the nada ringing, and let your body completely surrender. You just be. And to some people, that might sound boring, but I'm telling you, it's the most peaceful state I've ever felt in my life. I used to be addicted to the noise and needed constant stimulation. The idea of just existing felt terrifying. But now, this non-resistant state is my new addiction. Living in a state of non-resistance is a simple concept, but it's not always easy. It can be difficult to hold this state all day long when life gets really loud, but you don't have to hold it all day. Aim for microdoses. So drop your shoulders and step into this state on the car ride home. You can even do it for 5 minutes while you're in the shower. Every time you consciously release the tension, you're unblocking the flow. And in order to manifest, you set your intentions from that peaceful state of non-resistance, and you just leave them there. That is where the magic actually happens. I am literally building my entire business this way. I'm not doing it by grinding or burning myself out. I'm doing it by removing my own resistance and watching things naturally fall into place. You don't have to grind harder. Like Abraham Hicks says, you just have to let go of the oars. Release the body armor and the worry thoughts. Find that state of peaceful zero resistance and watch how quickly your entire reality changes.